Hey guys, I'm just prepping up to take the EX reel for another good test drive since I've done the updates on it. I've locked the transmission at the first gear. I haven't set up the linkage yet for the transmission, so I can't really run it right now. Not that I really need it in the trails. It's plenty quick for crawling and scaling and stuff like that. So the only real modification I've done to it, aside from moving the servo around, which doesn't really change the performance per se, but I installed some high mass wheels from Team Raffee, and I got the PitBull PBX-AT 1.9, much better than the stock EX wheels and tires. So let's go give this a run, and we can give you a really decent review, or a multiple use review of the EX reel and how it goes. Of course, my setup is different since the first run. I mean, the suspension and that is all the same, but I've replaced the position of the battery, which used to be here like this. I've installed some inner fenders, and of course, like I said before, the servo mount position with the linkage over here going to the front, as you can possibly see it. Kind of hard to see here, so let's put that together, put it back together, and take it for a run on the rocks. So I'm here in Saint Jerome, Quebec. At one of the spots that I come here fairly often. It's a really cool rock area. If you look around, you don't see the edge here. It goes on to the other end over there. So a good place to test out the EX and show you guys how well it actually does. So let's give this a go. So far so good. What do you guys think? We've done about half of the area of the rocks. We're near the higher part over here. A little bit of rocks left to do. A little bit more filming, a little bit more fun. Let's go.